Okay guys, I'm doing a quick video to show you how you can do your staking on UbitEx. Okay, now I assume that you already have a UbitEx account that is verified, and to do that you need a referral link from somebody who's sponsoring you. If you don't have one, you can check in the comment section below to get a referral link where you can open your free account. All right, so and your account is already verified, and also that you have transferred the coins you want to stake from the exchange where you bought them already into UbitEx. All right, so you log into your UbitEx account. All right, so let me just go to the home page. Okay, so you now go to your wallet. So you go here, go to the menu. Let me take this one down. Take this down. So you go to the menu and you go to where you have your assets, which is going to be assets here. And then you go to your spot wallet, which is likely to be holding your assets. Okay. All right, so in this case we have a USDT here in our spot wallet. So the first thing you want to do is to transfer it from here to your earning wallet. Okay, so earn account is where you are going to be doing your staking from. So you are transferring from spot to earn, from spot to earn. Okay, so here we have the amount that we want to transfer. It's going to be the all. So quantity is all. So I'm transferring everything. So just click confirm. All right, so it's been transferred to our earn wallets. Okay, that's where we do our staking from. That's what I want to do. So let me just go to the home page. So in the home page here, you can now click on invest. So we select here. We will now select the period you want to stake for. Okay, 15 days. There's 30 days. There's 90 days. There's 180 days, and there's 360. Okay, so 360 is a full year. All right, so the higher you stake, the higher the period, the higher the returns. So I'm going to select this full year, which is 360 days. Is what I want to stake for the period of that. Okay, so you select the period and then you enter the amounts that you want to stake. In this case, I'm staking 500. Okay, 500 USDT. All right, there's going to be gas fee. All right, so I think the gas fee is usually $2 dollars. So I leave the other two for the gas fee. So I'm staking 500. Okay. You can choose to auto invest, or it is set at auto reinvest. You can deselect that. All right, so I want to be able to choose when to reinvest myself after the staking period. So all right, so so then you now click on stake now. So you click on stake now, and then that's it. Congratulations, staking successful. So we've done the staking successfully. So let's close that. Okay, so now I want to invite, now let's see how this one works. Invitation link has been copied. So I'm going to use that to now invite people, friends, to come and stake. So it's that easy. So that's how you do your staking. Okay. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so you get to know when next I post a video. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.